Hello guys, in this video today I will guide you how to generate SSH key for your GIT account on Windows PC. Okay, so firstly, in order to set up the SSH key for your account, you have to download the GIT for Windows and install it on your PC. The next step, you can do the generation. Okay, so now let's get started. I will minimize this one and I will open the browser. After that, I will access into the Git for Windows.org website. Here, I have a download button to get the file for Git on and running on Windows. At this time, the latest version is 2.19.1. I go ahead to click on download button here to get the file. Okay, it will take some second or minute to get the file from the internet. Okay, cool. So here I will open this one and click on setup file here. Run. Okay, next step. Leave it by default for the path. Default. Here. So here, waiting for the iteration is complete. Okay, click on finish button. Here. So after you click on finish button, it will open the release notes for this version of the Git. So here there are some information for introduction. Here, okay, we have a lot of the history log here. If you have time, you can take a look into it. Okay, so now I will close it. And so here it seems we have just finished installing the Git for Windows on your PC. So now, if you want to check it to make sure it is set up installed successfully on your Windows PC, and how to check it. Okay, minimize this one and you open the desktop of your PC. Here, you go ahead to click on right click on this, and if you can see the two options here, Git GUI here or Git back here, that means you have installed the Git for Windows successfully on your PC. Okay, cool. So here, next step I will guide you how to generate the SSH key for your account. Here you go ahead to right click on desktop and click on Git back here. Okay, so here I will type some the command here. I will type the SSH minus key then space minus T RSA space and C in capital space. Okay, so here I will enter my email. I will enter my email is chien.vh@gmail.com. Okay, after that you click on enter button. Okay, here so we have option E minus C and the email here. It is an optional. So I suggest you should type it here. You should provide your email to associate the key with your email address. So it will help you to identify the key later on. Okay, so here you click on leave it by default and enter. You here next step you have to enter the passphrase for the account. So you can enter the password here to make sure more security for the account. Okay, here I will enter the password for this one. You have to enter the minimum either five character. I will enter it here. Okay. enter, enter. Here, so here, if you can see this one, enter the same pre. Okay, the identification had been saved in. Okay, here the path, the same thing in public key. Okay, so that means we have two files had been created. The ID underscore RSA and ID underscore RSA dot pub here. So it contains the SSH key here in this ID underscore RSA, and we also have public key in the pub file here. Okay, so if you can see here, that means you have successfully installed sorry, I mean you have successfully generating the SSH key for the Git account. So now I will open the path here to check. Okay, here the C try user admin here. So you can see here we have a folder .ss has been created here. We have two files. Okay, cool. So now I will open this one in the Notepad++ to see. Yeah. So here I have a key had been generated here. Okay, cool. So close this one. And I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to install the Git for the Windows. And after that, you know how to generate the SSH key for the Git account. And I hope this video will helpful for you. And let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.